So you can see from this survey, majority people think this is finally made things clear. A woman is a biological woman. You, as a judge, disagree.
Well, I do, and I don't know any lawyers who find the judgment clear at all. Of course, the concept of biological sex is something that is not a legal term that's been known before. So the court, unfortunately, failed to say what they meant, so that doesn't help.
OK, and you're taking legal action now?
Yes, I'm going to go to the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg.
What's your petition? What are you going to say?
Well, what's happened is that the Supreme Court has departed from a case that was decided in about 2002, which led to the Gender Recognition Act, which is the act that enabled us to re-register our births and to change our legal sex, as the statute says. And the court has gone against that. But they also, unfortunately, failed to hear any trans people and excluded me and others from the court, so that we weren't actually heard making any points.
And what do you say to those behind the legal action, of course, and presumably to those in the survey, who say you may be able to say that you have changed your sex, but you have not changed your biological sex? And therefore, for instance, if you're playing in a football match, there are biological factors that come with being born a man.
Yes, I mean, and in this country for the last 20 years, the law has been that if it's not fair, then a trans person can be excluded. So there's nothing new in this. But it's case by case. I'm 8 stone. I don't have the muscles of a man. Most female footballers would make mincemeat of me. But some people are bigger than others. And I entirely agree that you shouldn't have situations where any woman is in some sense at risk, or which is unfair.
But can you see how that has happened? I mean, we've seen those cases in Scotland.
Cases, yes.
You know, criminals then transitioning and saying, I'm a woman, going into a female prison.
I mean, my experience as a judge, I mean, I was involved in writing guidelines for judges, and I know that the guidance there is that, you know, if you get some rapist who turns up at court saying, despite having been Bob all his life, turns up and says, hello, I'm Julie today, he's probably just lying, because bad people lie. And they're called trans, I think, by people labelling them as trans, and they may call themselves trans, but doesn't make it true.